Here's Ben and Daddy out launching our rockets. This is...
And then we just saw Wars.
Yep, this is our rocket. Pretty crude. Basically a sheet of paper and some tape to kind of strengthen it. Here's the launcher we made. It's just a pipe to hold the air and a sprinkler valve to let it out.
And the pop vest.
Hey Ben, I'm putting the rocket on. So once it's on, rocket ready, right? Now we're going to pump it up to basically 4 bars. Oh, something's starting to leak. Here we got 4. Launcher ready. Now Ben's going to launch it. 3, 2, 1. And there she is.
Dad went so far.
Yep, go grab it.